Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.
Okay, this is going to be my last video because I'm going to be leaving Almaty in Kazakhstan, but I'm just kind of filming just to kind of capture, like, get all these apartments and housing, businesses on the ground. And then I like the fact that you have these pedestrian streets. Some of them are quite a bit wider. But then you also have this space here, and then you have these things right here. So it really separates the cars from the pedestrians. So they don't really intermix at all. You kind of forget that there's cars there at all, actually. And then you can see, yeah, all these little businesses, they go up, and then that one as well. So there's a kind of a distinction between the businesses and the streets. So anyways, we're going to show you a little bit of Almaty. Almaty, Kazakhstan. So this is going to be, I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are first. And this is actually the last video that I'm going to put up of Almaty. If you want to see more, go to the end and you can see in the thumbnails, and I'll attach to some of the last ones that I uploaded of Almaty. And I think I have maybe 6 or 7, so different parts around the city. Let's just take you there as if you're there yourself, and show you a little slice of Almaty, Kazakhstan. Let's do it as if you're there yourself. And it's my last night to kind of film around and kind of give you an idea. So this is oh, it's also like a lot of trees everywhere and mountains, but because the houses are kind of tall, all these apartments are kind of tall, you can't really see the mountains. And then you have these little spaces in between, so the buildings would be like you got your road here, then you got the buildings, and you have these little gaps in between. So if we were to walk in there, you can see that there's a car parked in there. There's a couple of them, but they have some gate, so they can't really just go through anywhere, but they'll go around, just kind of walk in there slightly. And I think people can park in these, but there's like a whole other community in here, playground, so all kinds of stuff for people that live here. So it's just kind of a pattern that I've seen while I'm here in Almaty, like these big giant blocks that are like one big community. And then the cars are usually on that side because of that big ravine. But some cars get in here because there's a gate over there, so there's entry points. They can't just come up anywhere. But these are these little ravines that we're talking about. So these basically really separate the two quite a bit. So it's interesting, like the way it's designed like that. And then the pedestrian street, it's you know, it's clear. There's no cars. But these ones right here, I guess they come in because they come in the gate, so they probably have permission, I guess. I think they can come right in through there. I don't know, maybe anybody can park there, I'm not really sure. They can also park on the street too. But anyways, it's pedestrian. Most of the time you don't really have cars in driveways that you're trying to get across. You know, like this one is here, but it's kind of small, so cars aren't going to fly through there. You can go slow. And there's a gate there, okay. And then, so here's another example of these big walking paths all the way down like that. So, so you could walk down this path here, or this big main one right here. And then this will go all the way down to, there's like a big pedestrian street all the way down that way. And I have filmed that a few times, so I think I'm just gonna, I'll see scooters everywhere. So these little scooter share programs are everywhere. a few more. So these ones I see like throughout the city. So I also see people riding. There's spaces for people to ride those as well. So there's more there too. Okay, so let's kind of check out some of the businesses again. So if we walk down there, you got a clear pedestrian street, cars that way, and then also the same here too. So we could walk either way, I guess. I think this is actually called the Arbat. I'm gonna walk down this way. But this is kind of the general setup. So you got people living there, you have businesses on the first ground, these big pedestrian streets, and then you have the sidewalks. I mean the roads with this little thing. Then over here is the Arbat. So I think I'll so there'll be businesses that go all the way down here as well. So we'll just pass through here as we can. And then there's places to sit. Let's see what this one's. Vincent Open Fest. Okay. So yeah, the cars are like kind of removed. So you have this pedestrian street, lots of places to sit too. So everywhere I notice you can find a place to sit throughout the city. Businesses again. And then we are gonna walk over this way in the middle. Then you can see all the cars are parked here. So you don't really have this, you know, a lot of traffic everywhere. But you do have all these businesses here. And then you have more pedestrian street here, even a playground over there as well. So it's kind of cool. There's one of the scooters there. So yeah, you can rent the scooters. And this whole area right here is called Arbat. Okay. So we'll jump ahead a little bit. It's kind of cool, this artwork, and then this one's really interesting. I don't know what it is exactly. It's like a repair shop, but that probably has a lot of means something to somebody. I don't really know the Soviet world at all to know what that represents, but it's a beautiful building. This one's under construction. And then we are gonna probably just walk straight up. But yeah, I can see more of the rental scooters as well. So they're kind of ubiquitous throughout the city. Then the Arbats, they go down there, and there's a big pedestrian street down that way. But I did do some other videos of that, so I think today we're gonna walk up and try to capture more of these businesses here. But if you go down that way, you'll see tons and tons of people. I don't know, maybe I should go down that way. I guess if I walk down this way, I'm basically showing you the same stuff that I'll show you down here. But you can see that same structure right there. And then this will kind of lead all the way down to the to that particular street. Here's a pizza place. So yeah, lots of places to sit outside, so you can see big wide sidewalks, places to sit, and then you have this kind of median like that as well. So it's kind of interesting. Okay. So we're gonna walk directly towards the Arbat, and we'll just kind of show you what's around here. So we got some coffee shops. Again, you can sit outside, so a lot of places you can sit outside, and there's a lot of benches and things like that too. So in certain areas, especially the parks, you see a lot of places to sit. Okay, let's get up there. So another one of these big murals, and then you also have these little inside gates as well. So there's a so you can also hello.
Hello, hello. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My friend,
So yeah, these little things right here, so you can see how the buildings are set up, right? So there's all these, so there'll be one giant block, but there'll be all these inside as well. If we get a chance, maybe we'll try to film one of those so you can get a better idea of it. And then right there is a giant mural. That's massive. So we're gonna keep on walking through. So we're gonna kind of navigate into the big walking street. So the walking street is directly over that way. So maybe we'll walk over there real quick. this mural, and then you can kind of see the car structure of these areas. And then here's more of these rentals as well. And we got a green light, so we get right into the mess of that. Okay, so this is kind of a main pedestrian street. I think they actually call it walking street. There's a big sign of it that we might see later. Oh, this woman was here when I was filming yesterday, so I have her in my other videos as well. I focused more on the street the other day. Yeah, you just kind of see. And to the left there's a giant mall, so this mall over there will have Starbucks is over there, KFC, Wendy's restaurant, a few other places too. It's kind of small, but it's also has a lot in it, so it's that one right there, and it's right on this walking street, and a lot of like phone shops in there too. Okay. Some music. Okay. So maybe we'll come back. I think they're kind of warming up a little bit. So we'll keep on walking through. So yeah, we do have some live music in this area too. And you'll see some performers, so maybe later we'll see them a little bit later. I saw quite a few last night actually, so there was more of the musicians like we saw preparing a little while ago. Police station, more stuff up that way, then down this way let's have some like boxing stuff straight that way. And then you got the mall. So you got the mall, you got some boxing stuff, and then you can actually walk down these streets down that direction as well. And a little dolphin on the thing. Some video arcades. Don't speak. I only know English. But let's see you guys. I think maybe they're gonna ask me about my YouTube channel, but I kind of want to walk around and show you more. Yeah, here's another performer here. They also have these apartments, so those apartments are kind of interesting because they're kind of Soviet style, but they overlook some nice pedestrian streets. So, and there's actually duckings up there too. There's more here at other times, but we're actually gonna walk into another alley just so I can give you the full context of what these are like exactly. So that's stay tuned. So we just kind of walked down this main pedestrian street. So this, I think it's called the Arbat. So this is kind of filled with musicians, performers. You can sit at all the park benches along the side, and we're gonna actually walk down a side street again, so you can kind of get the full context of everything one more time. That direction goes down towards the green market. You can walk all the way down that way, which is I did film a little bit of that early in the morning the other day. So we're gonna walk down this street and we'll go down into one of these little alleys again. And then I just they got like flower beds, and then again they have this pedestrian street, so the cars just can go back out and park, so they can't continue to go through the whole thing. Let's see, then you also have some murals up that way. And now you can see the structure, so you can see the cars on one side, and then the kind of wide pedestrian streets on the other side. There's a car right there. And you got the apple reference because Kazakhstan's the origin of apples. That's right there. And we're gonna keep on going down. So a little slice of Almaty. Okay, so you can see. I'm gonna turn the camera on and we get up there a little bit further. So we'll kind of show you again. So we got businesses on the side, tall apartments everywhere, and then you have these big pedestrian streets, and then the cars are way over on the other side. So there's a nice pattern or theme. So the cities are actually quite nice, like the way they're designed. It's good for pedestrians, but it's also good for cars because they got these big giant blocks. They can just go straight with stoplights, of course. And then pedestrians have, you know, no cars in these streets. Big wide pedestrian roads, sidewalks. Okay, so now we're gonna cross the street and we're gonna go over to where I'm trying to get to go. Then we can kind of capture. And that right there is the train station. So everybody that goes here, it's called Zibek Zoli. So they'll go up that way. Snacks, flowers, and we're gonna just continue on. And we're gonna basically keep walking on that way, but you can kind of see the same pattern. Sidewalks, cars on the other side. Okay, so we're still got lots of parks. You can see tons of trees. Mountains way in the distance, but they're kind of hard to see. And then we're gonna go down an alley just so you can kind of see there's more places to sit. And each alley has its own world, right? So we can check out this world. There's a coffee shop, another place to eat right there. Swings in that particular one. And more shops. So it's not only the main streets, but it's also into the alleys. So you can see a cosplay shop, Dala Dala. English is simple. I don't know. Is that an English school? I'm not sure. It's like a little souvenir shop here. And then there's actually a barista in here as well. And there's also some nice artwork too. So here's Mara. I think it's a Chinese restaurant, so you have that. And then that one you kind of have more of a Kazakh theme. I did film a little bit this before, but my main goal is just to kind of show you there's a whole other world in here, right? So these big city blocks, this is like a small corner, but you can walk in here and it's like you can walk through there. I saw that when we walked through that one. There's another main street over there, the Arbat that we were originally on. And then you have a little shop like that. And then even you have a hotel. That's where I was staying last night, in this hotel. So yeah, that's kind of the way things are set up and structured. So that's my last video for Almaty. Hope you liked it. If in the end you can see some of the other ones I filmed, because I'll have them as well in here. Okay, let's end our thing for Almaty. Hope you enjoyed it.
Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.